Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await. But allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence. Introducing Digital Growth Academy, 60 done for you, short value-oriented rebrandable videos with a complete ready-to-go training center that will sell to your list like a ninja, all while your audience gets impactful, short video content that nobody else is willing to do. Digital Growth Academy, outsourcing, LinkedIn, and SEO marketing. This volume is jam-packed with 60 short videos on 3 in-demand topics. Watch these samples of these clever done-for-you videos in action. Vertical dimension, ideal for TikTok and YouTube shorts.
What is thin content, and why is it so bad? Thin content is content that doesn't have many words. These are short articles that are probably a few hundred words at the most. It's hard to believe that you could answer the question of the user using so few words. You should try to avoid at all costs producing thin content. Usually, it's a sign of either you haven't done enough research, or you're trying to hurry through an article to finish it as fast as possible. Regardless of the reason, this type of content can hurt your site. A piece of content shouldn't only be a video. LinkedIn's search engine isn't good enough to scan through the video for keywords. You still need a text post to give their search engine something to work with. How many words you should use to accompany your video is up for debate. You should use enough words to get your point across while not being boring. The moment your post becomes too wordy is when things get out of hand. The text in your post should add value that isn't in the video. A person should have to consume both pieces of content to get the full picture. Imitation is the best form of flattery. No one is saying that you should steal their content or their ideas. You do want to learn how they format their posts. That in itself is the one piece of information that is the most vital. You should read their text and also watch the video to learn what they're doing. Those who are established in your industry create such content because they know how it works. The same techniques will work for you if you apply them properly. It's when people find your content useful and enjoyable that they share it, and then your account grows organically.
Horizontal dimension, ideal for your website or training center.
Tech is one of those things that doesn't require you to be in one part of the world. The person who keeps an eye on the security of your server doesn't need to live in Silicon Valley. If anything, it's best to hire someone who lives in a developing country. They will work for a cheaper rate. You will also be able to hire them to do more things since they work for less. Security, when it comes to the internet, knows no language or region. A person in Pakistan can protect your server and update your scripts just as well as someone in California. The only difference you'll notice is how much money you have left in your wallet when hiring someone from a different country. Follower counts don't matter, not at all. How many of you are shocked to read those last two sentences? If you're shocked by them, then you have an old school mentality when it comes to social media. Back in the day, people only cared about the number of followers you had. The number of followers must have meant that you were doing something right. The truth is, the number of people who follow your account is meaningless. It means nothing at all to have thousands of followers if they don't propel you in some way. Some sellers could care less about the number of links they sell on their sites. It's not surprising in the least that every link on a page has been sold to someone. What happens if a website or a whole network of sites end up getting penalized by Google? Your site could be harmed as well. You don't want to risk your site being penalized because of one stupid thing. Paying for links is the easy way out, and it will have a devastating impact on your ability to earn money if Google catches on. If you're thinking about buying links, stop dead in your tracks and get to work on building quality content people will link to.
For more information and to purchase Digital Growth Academy, click on the second link below this video and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.